Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and having a wonderful Sunday. Welcome to another episode of DIY Sundays. In this video on very popular demand, I have come up with a very effective, easy to whip up face mask for acne prone skin, or if you have active acne or acne scars, this is a very effective face mask, and the ingredients of which are very easily available either at home or in a market near you or even online. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've also hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So guys, first we're going to dive in and see how to whip up the face mask and the ingredients that I've used in making this face mask. So guys, this is what you will need for the DIY. What I have here is kaolin clay from the brand Bio Organic. I really like their organic powders, even sandalwood and multani mitti. And then what I have here is green tea. Basically, I cut a sachet of green tea. I have Chetali green tea here. You can take any one that you like. And then we have some turmeric here. There's aloe vera. There's rose petal powder, also organic. I'm going to link the brand in the description box. And again, we have rose water. Like I keep saying, if you want to try this at home, please do make sure that you batch test. Now it's pretty simple. So I have just eyeballed all the ingredients. There are no measurements in particular. I'm going to mix the green tea and the kaolin clay together. Basically, kaolin is going to give some body to this face mask, because otherwise it's hard for the green tea to stick on your face. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the turmeric. I have about half a small this wooden spoon worth of turmeric here. I'm going to add all of this. You guys know that I like adding turmeric to a lot of my face packs, face mask in particular, because I really feel that turmeric is something that works on your skin, especially if you have acne. It's antibacterial. It's going to heal your skin as well. Then I have rose powder here, which is going to be very, very calming for the skin. So I'm going to be generous with this as well. Take almost about half a wooden spoon of this into the mixture and just mix it well. Now you want to make sure that all of the ingredients are mixed really well together before we add in anything else. So guys, once you have all the powdered ingredients mixed together, this is how all the powders are going to look like. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some aloe vera gel. You can skip aloe vera if you're allergic to it, or you can use the aloe vera gel straight from the plant if that works for you. That does not work for me, so I use this one. The one that I'm using is from the brand Soap Square. The other one that I really like is from the brand Vilva. Both of the aloe vera gels are very organic, very pure. I'm going to take this much of the aloe vera gel into this, and then I just want to make sure everything is mixed really well. Before I do that, I'm also going to go ahead and add some rose water. The one that I have here is from the brand Just Herbs. Again, very beautiful rose water, and I'm just going to spritz here this. You can also use any rose water of your choice, or you can just use some normal regular water, some filtered water, and then we are just going to go ahead and mix everything to make a paste. Now that's the consistency you want to reach at. It's going to be a little bit of a coarse face pack because this has green tea particles in it, but overall you can reach a pretty good paste consistency like this. Definitely it's going to be a little bit thick and a little bit hard to stick on the face, but this is very good for anyone who has active acne, acne scars on their face. Now let's go ahead and apply it on our face. Now the consistency of this face mask is obviously very thick and it's coarse, so it becomes difficult for it to stick on the face, but it is a very effective and very good face mask. Like I said, if you have acne, acne prone skin, active acne, or even acne scars. So I'm going to start from the center of my face. With the help of the brush, I'm going to spread this out. While I do that, I'm going to tell you that green tea in here reverses sun damage. Not just that, it's antibacterial. It also is anti-inflammatory. It's very cooling for the skin. The rose petals in here is going to calm any sort of redness on the skin, because of acne there is a lot of rashes and redness on the skin as well. Turmeric obviously again is antibacterial. It's going to take care of any kind of acne scars on your skin in particular. And this is also going to cleanse your pores. So if you have any acne that is about to pop in, it's going to prevent any sort of acne as well in the long run. Then we have rose petals, like I said, that's very calming. Aloe vera gel, which is very good for the skin. It hydrates the skin. Not just that, it also heals your skin. Aloe vera is very, very good if you have acne prone skin or acne in specific, or even if you have hyperpigmentation. I'm putting this in my hair as well, but that's perfectly all right. Like I said, this is a face mask, which is a little bit tricky to sort of stick on your face. But you've got to work with it. But once you have spread it out well, you've just got to leave it for about 15 minutes and then wash off. And you can use this, and anyone who has combination or dry skin can also use this, even if you don't have acne prone skin, because overall it's a very good face mask, but works beautifully if you have acne or bumps, those small bumps on your face. Really, really works well on that. And you can use this twice a week because the ingredients here are very, very helpful for the skin overall, especially in summers and this monsoon season, when there's so much moisture in the air and there's likely to be a lot of bacteria on your skin. This, in my opinion, is a wonderful face mask to apply. Now that I have my face and neck nicely covered with this face mask, I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes. You will see that after 5 minutes or so, this starts to flake off and fall off. But that's perfectly all right. Just make sure that you have a towel to sort of grab anything that's falling off. Because green tea, when it tends to dry off, it tends to fall. But that's perfectly all right. You can sit in it for about 15 minutes still. And I'm going to do exactly that and be right back. Now I washed off the face wash and you will see that my face looks a lot more cleansed. It's a very good detox face mask as well because it purifies your pores as well, takes care of any sort of impurities and sucks out any kind of impurities from the pores. So overall, a very good detox face mask. You will also see that it stained my face a little bit because it has turmeric in it. And a lot of face masks that have turmeric tend to stain the face, but that's perfectly all right. You can always follow up with a good mild face wash. Now, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. And until I see you next, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.